Hello guys, you're welcome back to the channel. Get understanding, don't memorize. Yes, this is the continuation of our series of lessons on hot regular polygons. Yes, in the previous video, we tried to look at the relationship between the number of sides and the number of triangles that can be formed from a regular polygon and the sum of the interior angles. Yes, so we want to, in fact, the intention of this reduction is to get the sum of the interior angles of the regular polygon in terms of the number of sides. Yes, and we said that in general, the sum of the interior angles of any sided regular polygon is given by n minus 2 times 180 degrees, and which is the same as n minus 2 times 2 times 90, and the n minus 2 times 2 right angles. Guys, this is very simple. I hope you are not getting confused. Let me explain it further. Further for you to get it. It's very simple. Yes, you are saying that the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is given by n minus 2 times what? Times 180 degrees. So what is n minus 2? This n minus 2 is just the number of triangles that can be formed from what? From the regular polygon. For example, equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has what? Only one triangle. The number of triangles that can be formed, one. It's only one from equilateral triangle. Already it's a triangle. And the sum of the angles, this is 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60. We get the sum is equal to what? Sum is equal to just 180 degrees. So this 180, the sum of the interior angles of an equilateral triangle is the same as the number of triangles that can be formed from the polygon times what? Times 180 degrees. Yes, that is what it means. And if you take square, which is a quadrilateral, you are saying that a quadrilateral has what? A quadrilateral has 4 sides. And then how many triangles can be formed from the quadrilateral? Only 2 triangles can be formed from a quadrilateral. This is one triangle and another triangle. So if I want to sum the number of if I want to find the sum of the interior angles of this quadrilateral, it is the same as this angle plus this angle plus this angle. This 4 times 90, 180. So the same as we have only two triangles from the quadrilateral, from the square. So what is the sum of the angles in this triangle? This is not 180. So this one is what? This triangle 1 will give you 180. And triangle 2 will also give what? 180. So in effect, if I want to find the sum, it's the same as 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, which will give me 360. Or in other way, it's the same as what? The number of triangles that can be formed, which is 2, times what? 180. Now I'll get what? I'll get 360. And this 2 is, well, how do we get this 2? It's the number of sides, which is 4 minus 2. The same as 4 minus 2 times 180. Have you seen? So in general, but let us look at what pentagon as well. Pentagon. If I look at pentagon, pentagon 5-sided figure, 5-sided figure, pentagon. Yes. So this is pentagon. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many triangles can be formed from a pentagon? Can form 3 triangles from a pentagon. 3 triangles. Okay. So this is triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3. If you want to find the sum of the interior angles of this pentagon, the same as this plus this plus this plus this plus this. But alternatively, we have three triangles. And each triangle, you know that a triangle in a triangle is 180. So this triangle give me 180. This triangle also give me 180. This triangle give me 180. So instead of summing all the 5 interior angles, I can just write how many triangles am I getting? I'm getting 3. Then times the sum of the angles in each of the triangles is 180. So 3 times 180 will give me the sum of the interior angles in this what? Pentagon. So that's what I'm saying. So what this 3, where is it coming from? It's coming from, it's the same as what? The number of sides, which is 5. If I subtract 2 from it, then I'll get what? 3. So we are saying that in general, the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is given by what? The number of sides minus 2 times what? Times 180 degrees. Where this n minus 2 is what? The number of triangles that can be formed from the polygon. That is what this n minus 2 stands for. It means, don't let it's very simple, understand, don't get confused. So in general, we are saying that the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is given by what? The number of triangles that can be formed from the polygon. Then we just multiply by what? 180, because each triangle will be what? Will be 180 degrees. So if you get the number of triangles, we just multiply by the 180, then we get the sum of the interior angles. And we are saying that this 180 is the same as 2 times 90. So n minus 2 times 2 times 90. And this 90 is the same as right angle. So we are saying that it's n minus 2 times 2 times right angle. So guys, what I want you to know is that this n minus 2, don't let this n minus 2 is nothing. Just what? The number of triangles that can be formed from the polygon. And the number of triangles that can form from the polygon is the same as the number of sides of the polygon. So you subtract 2 from it. And you get the number of triangles that can be formed from the hot polygon. Then just multiply that the number of triangles by 180. Because if the number of triangles that can be formed is 1, then it's just 1 the sum of the interior angle 180 times 1. If it's 2, you just multiply, you get 2 triangles. So 2 triangles, each with 180 times 2, then get the sum. So that in that order, guys, is very simple. Hopefully this is understandable. So if you are enjoying, you are following, let me know by subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell notification icon so that if additional videos are uploaded, you will be notified. Guys, I hope you are enjoying. Thank you for watching. If you don't understand anything, let me know in the comment section. Because you are understanding the focus of this channel as it is, as the name implies. Get understand, don't memorize. Because guys, understanding is really fun. You understand, you have power. You can do things, a lot of things. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, guys. Hello guys, welcome back. This is a continuation of a series of lessons on regular polygons. This is get understanding, don't memorize. If you have not subscribed, then subscribe and hit the bell notification icon, okay? Yes, so let us continue. This is a continuation of a lesson. So in the previous video, we look at what the sum of the interior angles. And then we are saying that the sum of the interior angle, if you want to find the sum of the interior angles of any polygon, you just have to get the number of triangles that can be formed from the polygon. Then you just multiply by 180. Yes. So if you have only one triangle, then just 1 times 180, because the sum of the angles in the triangle will give you 180. If you have 2, then if you want to find the total two triangles, if you want to find the sum of the angles, it's just 2 times 180. For each of the triangles will get 180. If you have 3, then 3 times. Yes. So we said that in general, it's given by the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon given by the number of sides minus 2 and minus 2. This number of sides minus 2 will give you the number of triangles that can be formed from the polygon. Then you just multiply by 180 to get the sum. Yes. So in this video, we are going to look at what the sum of the exterior angles. Yes, we are going to look at the sum of the exterior angles. In the previous video, look at the sum of the interior angles. In this video, we are looking at the sum of the exterior angles. Yes. So if you can remember in one of the previous video, we said that always the sum of the exterior angle and the interior angle will always give you what 180 degrees. Yes. Because because the total angle on the straight line is always what? It's always 180. So we are saying that sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So this is as I've indicated here, okay? And then we are looking at what the same equilateral triangle. We're looking at the equilateral triangle here, and then we see that each equilateral triangle has 3 sides that are equal. It has 3 sides, and then these sides are equal, and each of the interior angles is what 60 degrees. So if you want to find the interior angles, is what just 60 plus 60. So how do I find the exterior angle? So this side at this point, the interior angle is what is 60. If you want to find the exterior angle, then you have to extend this line. So this is the exterior angle. So by this angle, the interior angle, the exterior angle must give you 180. So if this interior angle is 60, then the exterior angle here is what 120 degrees. The same way if you extend this is the interior angle is 60 degrees. The exterior angle will give you 120. If this side, if this angle is what interior angle, which is 60, then if I extend this, and then the exterior angle, this angle will be 120, because this exterior angle plus this interior angle will have to give me what 180 degrees. Okay, yes. So we are saying that sum of the exterior angle. So if you want to find the sum of the exterior angles, this one is what exterior angle 1 is what 180 minus 60, plus this one the same as 180 minus 60, plus this one which is same as 180 minus 60, which is 120 plus 120 plus what 120. It is giving me 360 degrees, which is the same as 4 times 90, which is what 4 right angles. Yes. If you take the square, this is the interior angle. This one interior 90 degrees, and this is what the interior and the exterior have to give you 180. So this one, if this interior is 90, then the exterior is 90. In this way, this exterior is 90, this interior is 90. This interior is also 90, and this exterior will be 90. This interior angle is 90, this exterior will be 90. Okay. So the sum of the exterior angles of a square will be given by our exterior angle. So this is 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. So we have 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, which is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. So which is 4 times 90, which is for the same 360 degrees. Okay, which is 4 right angles. Okay. So let us look at let me add a pentagon for you to see that in general the definition. If in general the sum of the exterior angles of a regular polygon. If you take pentagon, you have pentagon like this pentagon. Okay, pentagon. This is pentagon 1, 2 is equal to 3, 4, 5. Okay, yes. So if you want to find this one, okay, so yes, so you can get an exterior angle here. Okay, you can get an exterior angle here for this angle. This angle you have an exterior angle, and then this angle you also have an exterior angle. This angle you can have an exterior angle. This angle you can also have an exterior angle, and then this angle you also have what for this interior angle you have an exterior angle. So we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. we have 5 interior angles, and we also have what? 5 exterior angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So always the number of interior angles will always be equal to the number of exterior angles, because after all, at a point on the vertex, it's where the interior angles and the exterior angle and interior angle will be formed. And we sum, we have to get 180 degrees. Okay. Yes. So that's also, we know that if you want to find the sum of the what do you call it? The sum of the interior angles of a regular pentagon will be given by the number of triangles that can be formed, which is given by n minus what 2. Number of triangles that can be for 5 minus 2, you get 3 times what? 180. Have you seen? So 5 times 180. What we get, 3 times 180, you get what? 540 degrees. Have you seen? 540 degrees. 540. So if you want this, each interior angle will be given by what? Each interior angle, there are 5 of them, and they are 540. So if you divide 540 by what? 540 by if you divide 540, sorry, yes guys. So let me show you something here using the calculator. 540. Okay, 540. If you divide it, this is the sum of the interior angles of a regular pentagon. But since the pentagon has 5 angles or 5 sides, if you want, and each 5 angle, each angle is what is, all the angles are what? Are equal. Okay, all angles are what? All the angles are equal. So if I divide this 540 divided by 5, sorry guys, if I divide it by 5, then I'll get each of the interior angles of the pentagon is what? 108 degrees. It's 108. Have you seen? It's 108. So this side is what? 108. This angle is what? 108 degrees. 108. Each of them is 108. So 108. 108. So what is 180 minus 108? 180. 180. Minus what? 108. What do you get? You get what? 72. You get 72. Have you seen? Guys, you get 72. Okay. So which means that this exterior angle is what? This is 72 degrees. All the exterior angles are also equal. This is 72. This is what? 72. And this is what? 72. 72. So let us add all the exterior angles, 72. So since the pentagon has 5 sides, it means that the interior angles, we have 5 interior angles, and the same we have 5 exterior angles. So if you want to sum all of them, it was 72 plus 72 is 5 times. So it's the same as 5 times 72, which is equal to what? 5 times 72, 5 2 is 10, 0, 5 7, 35 plus 1, you get 36, you get 360. Have you seen? So 360. So guys, what do you notice? You notice that what can we deduce? We deduce that irrespective of the polygon, or with the sum of the exterior angles will give you 360 degrees. Irrespective of the number of sides of the polygon, or with the sum of the exterior angles will give you 360 degrees. Because when we took the equilateral triangle, the sum of the exterior angles, we got what? We got 360 degrees. When we took the square, the sum of the exterior angles, we got what? 360 degrees. And now we are taking the pentagon with 5 sides, and the sum of the exterior angles, we are getting what? 360. So guys, what I'm saying is that in general, for every n-sided polygon has the sum of exterior angle to be equal to what? 360 degrees. So we are saying that what do we notice? We notice that yes, apart from noticing that the sum of the exterior angles of any regular polygon will give you as 360, we also notice that the number of sides of a regular polygon is always equal to the number of interior angles of the polygon, and it is equal to the number of exterior angles of the polygon. Yes, so this is a equilateral triangle. How many sides has this equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle has 3 sides, and all these 3 sides are equal. And how many number of interior angles? We have 3 interior angles. How many number of exterior angles? We have 3. Quadrilateral has 4 sides. 4 sides that are equal. And the number of interior angles, we also have 4. And the number of exterior angles, we also have 4. Pentagon, which is a regular polygon, we also have how many sides? We have 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are equal in length. And then the number of interior angles, we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of exterior angles, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are saying that always for a regular polygon, the number of sides will always be equal to the number of interior angles, and always equal to the number of exterior angles. So if a regular polygon has 3 sides, then the number of interior angles will be 3. The number of exterior angles will be 3. If in general, if a regular polygon has n sides, then the number of interior angles will be n, and the number of exterior angles will also be n. Guys, I hope you are enjoying. Thank you for watching. I hope this is very understandable, guys. Yes, it's very understandable. So see you in the next video, guys. Yes, in the next video. So yes, in the next video we continue. We look at all that we have we've studied. We look at the summary of all that we have studied. In the next, so guys, don't let me waste your time. In fact, this lesson has been lengthy in a way. So guys, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, then do well to subscribe to the channel, because we are yet to solve the final exam WASSCE questions. Final WASSCE exam questions. We have to solve those questions to make sure that you really understand the concept that we have covered. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, guys.